Air transportation means vehicles that fly in the sky and help us travel from one place to another quickly. Let's learn about some of them. Wow! Look up. It's an airplane. Airplanes are big flying vehicles that carry many passengers and goods from one city or country to another. They have wings and powerful engines that help them fly high in the sky. It's a helicopter. Helicopters have big spinning blades on the top. They go up, down, and even hover in one place. Helicopters can take off and land in small places and are used for rescue, travel, and carrying goods. Look at that fast plane. It's a jet. Jets fly super fast in the sky. Pilots fly jets high above the clouds. Some jets are used by the military and some are private jets for quick travel. Do you see that big balloon in the sky? It's a hot air balloon. It goes up slowly and gives a beautiful view from above. A hot air balloon uses hot air to float in the sky. People ride them for fun and to enjoy beautiful views from above. Here comes a cargo plane. It's big and strong and carries boxes, bags, heavy goods and packages and even toys to faraway places. They are very important for trade and delivery. Cargo planes doesn't carry people, they carry things. Let's remember what we learned today. Airplane, helicopter, jet, cargo plane, hot air balloon. Wow, we learned about so many air vehicles today. Air transportation helps us travel quickly, deliver goods, and even explore the skies. Which one is your favorite? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more learning with FunTime learnings.